Okay. All right, here we go. So you can see the when I press the key, it should actually. And if I turn this on, we're starting it. We're going to put it on the left, so you should be able to see this here. Okay, the key that I'm pressing at the moment. So you see, I press the key in, so that's going to work for us. So if I click on that, X, delete, and we're going to go Shift A. Shift A. See the key I press, Shift A, and we're going to add an image. So we go down to here, image. We're going to use a background. So the image that we're going to use is our picture that we did. So for me, it's my butterfly here. Okay, so what I want to do is make sure my butterfly is nice and flat. I'm going to click on that thing here. Where is it? It's empty. And what we want to do is I push in. So you see the key there. I push in. And we're going to go to item. We're going to make sure all our rotation is 0. 0, 0, 0. Enter. All right, so we're ready to go. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go from top view. Okay, so Z is the top, so I click on the Z. And then all we're going to do, I'm just going to push in to get rid of that. Go Shift A, we're going to add a mesh, which is, what one do we do? We are going to do a plane. So we go like this with a plane. And then we're going to go into edit. So I push the tab button, which we're going to edit. We want to make sure we select all of our things here. So I'm holding down Shift and clicking on those. And we're going to push M for merge. So M is going to, we're going to do it at the center. So it's going to join all those dots to the middle. Okay, and we're going to grab this to here. So G to grab, and we're going to put it up to there. Alright, so we're just okay, so we're going to continue here. We grab that, we move that to here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to keep going E to extrude, and we're going to move that around our shape. E, 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 whoopsie, E, 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 E. So we go all the way around our shape. E, E. Take it up to here. Till I get to the top of my shape. Okay, so I'm going to leave a little bit of a gap. I'm just going to zoom in and I'm going to hold down Shift and click on the other one. So now I've got the two drops selected and I'm going to go F to fill it. So now that is filled. We're going to go A to select everything, right, and we're going to go F to fill it. And that will give us our shape. Okay, so now what we can do is with everything selected, we can go U to UV unwrap, and we are going to do project from view. And so that's going to get that shape there. Okay, and so now we're going to go into UV editing, and you should see that shape here, repeated here. So now in here we need to get that picture. So the way that we get that picture is we are going to go image, we go open, and we're going to find the same image that we have. Actually, we don't need to do it like that. We can just select here image. Okay, so actually, if we have a look up the top here, we can't see the button that we need. So I'm rolling my wheel until I get to this one here, which is new and open. And that, if I click on that one, I should be able to see my picture. It'll be there. Okay, so now what I have to do, select that by going A to select all of that. And I'm going to go S to scale it, G to grab it. Whoopsie, not that button. G to grab. What's happening here? A, G, I'm going to move it to there. So I need to scale it until we get it right. So S on the Y does up and down, SY, SX does left and right. So for me that's quite good. I'm going to grab it in the right place. So now I've got that covering that. I don't need that anymore. So actually I can just go back to my layout.
So we
Alright.
click this.
Okay, so to be able to see that, we're going to switch up here into this mode. And at the moment, there's nothing there. So what we need to do... okay, so what we need to do here is we need to go to, on the side here, we're going to click on this one, the red ball. You might need to go up or down to see that. We go plus new, it'll come in a second, that is there. So we go use nodes. Actually, no, we don't need to use nodes. Yes, we do. But use nodes, and here we're going to click on the dot. No, what are we going to do? Let me see. Use nodes. Sorry, click on use nodes. It should be here. So let's see this one. Click on the yellow dot. You're going to go image. Alright, and then you're going to click on that one and go that image there. And it should come out. There it is there. That is the first part that we are doing. So, yeah, use nodes. Click on that white dot that was there and choose image, and then choose your image. Okay.